Hey guys, a little reminder. Don't put your home on the market this week, let alone do an open house for that home this weekend. Hey guys, quickly, Julian Gonzalez here with RSVP Real Estate. Guys, thanks so much for tuning into my channel. I greatly appreciate you liking, subscribing to my channel as I look to make it bigger and bigger to help everybody out, and also turning on notifications. That way you always know when I upload a video that might help you either buy or sell a home or any type of real estate. And also, if you live in the Seattle area and you want to talk about real estate, whether it's buying or selling a home, you could schedule something with me down below when you get together at your earliest convenience. Right, guys? Don't say I didn't tell you so. Don't do an open house this weekend, let alone, again, don't even list your house this week. And again, this is just my opinion. Why? Well, guys, you might remember several weeks ago, I did a video and I was leading into St. Patty's Day weekend. And also a couple of weeks later on, or the following week, a couple of weeks later on, it was Easter weekend, right? And I said I did a couple of open houses both those weekends, and it was terrible. Why? Not a lot of traffic because holiday weekends, people travel. And when a lot of those people mean buyers, they're out there with their family, want to celebrate a nice weekend. So that means they're not going to be focusing on your property because they're doing other things. So what's this weekend? A massive weekend. The first big weekend, holiday weekend of the year. Memorial Day weekend. It's a 3-day weekend. Now ask yourself, you're looking to sell this week and do an open house this weekend. Ask yourself, how many people do you know, maybe even yourself, have plans this weekend? Traveling somewhere distance, taking a flight somewhere, going up to the mountains, down to the beach, meeting at a friend's house for barbecue. And the last thing you want to do is focus on maybe an experience that's already, or add to an experience that's already been stressful, which is looking at homes. You just want to relax. That's what a lot of people are going to do. A lot of the buyers out there, guys, are going to be doing that, let alone probably even brokers, right? A lot of buyers have a broker that they also got lives. They're going to be traveling and say, hey, I can't go out this weekend because I'm traveling, so I'm not going to be able to get out there. So that's why I'm telling you guys, you can list your home whenever you want. But out of experience and talking with a lot of brokers that have held open houses during holiday weekends, it's not good, especially the Sunday. The Sunday is the worst. I don't care what anybody says, open houses on a Sunday are terrible. Let alone now we have Memorial Day weekend. Again, the whole key to selling your home, besides, of course, pricing it right, is having as many eyeballs on that home. And by doing an open house and you don't get a lot of eyeballs, you're missing a great opportunity there. And also that could lead to, if you don't get a good offer, is having that home stay on the market a little bit longer. And the longer it stays on the market, guys, well, it raises more questions for potential buyers later on. Why is the house on the market that long? It's overpriced, or maybe there's something wrong with it. So guys, avoid yourself a huge headache, at least in my opinion, and don't put your home on the market this weekend or this week and do the open house. Enjoy the weekend, a fabulous, very amazing, great weekends that we have, a great weekend, holiday weekend we have here in the United States. Save that energy, enjoy with your family, and then get ready to get back on the saddle, the home real estate selling saddle next week. Good luck, guys.